This was the 48th annual Hutchinson Arts and Crafts Festival, along with the Taste of Hutchinson. What you're going to be seeing in our video is 115 vendors, probably over 130 booths, including our Taste of Hutchinson, as well as vendors from all over the United States. Mostly we draw from the Midwest, but we do draw from other states like Florida, Arizona, and New York. This festival happens for 2 days in mid-September, for Friday and Saturday. We usually bring 12,000 people in, so we range from 10 to 13,000 on any given year. People come from all over to participate as an opportunity for a girls' weekend, a friends' weekend. Families get together. We're very family friendly, and Saturdays are usually busy with a lot of kids, and we have kids' activities. It's a really good way for us in Hutchinson to be able to also support businesses, chamber members that are doing other activities as well during that same time. So we will highlight different opportunities while you're here for the Arts and Crafts Festival, as well as many other things that you can do here in town, because of course there's much in Hutch.